Hi, my name is Jackie Sipples. I'm from Little Science Wizards. I've worked in the science community for over 30 years between medical, environmental, and then educational, where I did start my business, Little Science Wizards. I suspended my services about 6 years ago. I wanted to pursue other interests. However, with the change in how life is right now, many people are stuck inside. You're trying to teach your kids, homeschooling. I decided to come back with a YouTube web series that will be released weekly. It is going to cover all different aspects of science. Every month will be something different. It could be physics, it could be chemistry, you name it, I'll come up with it. And these experiments that are going to be shown on this series are all using items that you should easily be able to get at home. And if you cannot get them at home, you can certainly get them online and hopefully get them in a quick fashion. So join me and have some fun learning about science. Parents, join in as well. This is meant for everybody, and I look forward to seeing you soon.